Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 10 of the coolest gadgets and inventions you can find on Amazon. These aren't just fun. They're practical, clever, and designed to make everyday life easier. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Elikliv Microscope, LCD Digital Coin Microscope. The Elikliv LCD Digital Microscope is a powerful tool for exploring the microscopic world. It features a 4.3-inch display with 720-pixel high-definition imaging, showing clear, real-time pictures and videos. The screen size helps reduce eye and neck strain, making long sessions more comfortable. With magnification up to 1,000 times, you can see incredible details of coins, stamps, jewelry, circuit boards, textiles, or even skin. 8 adjustable LED lights provide the right amount of brightness, ensuring sharp images even in low light conditions. The height-adjustable stand lets you change the distance between the camera and the object, giving flexibility for different magnification needs. You can also connect the microscope to a Windows computer or a MacBook to view on a larger screen, share live images, or save them for analysis. A built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 3 hours of continuous use, making it portable for both indoor and outdoor exploration. Number 2. HOTO Laser Measuring Tool, precision-focused for indoor mastery. The HOTO Laser Measuring Tool is designed to bring accuracy and convenience to everyday projects. It delivers precision with plus or minus 2 millimeters across a range of 0.16 feet up to 98 feet. Quick readings appear in just 0.2 seconds, with accuracy up to 1/16 of an inch. The Class 2 laser is safe for casual use and reliable even in low-light interiors. Many owners enjoy its playful side too, using the laser as a cat teaser during breaks. The compact design includes a low-power OLED screen that saves energy while providing clear indoor readings. With auto shutdown and USB-C charging, you can achieve more than 500 measurements per charge, making it ideal for weekly DIY tasks or month-long projects. Whether measuring room dimensions, window heights, or furniture layouts, this tool is perfect for homeowners, real estate agents, and architects who value precision and portability. Number 3. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, Automatic Refillable Grinders. The Wonmake Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set brings convenience and style to your kitchen. Each grinder sits on a dual USB charging base, allowing you to recharge both at the same time. With 6 levels of coarseness adjustment, you can choose between fine or coarse textures to match your recipe. A built-in LED light at the base ensures you can see exactly how much seasoning you're adding, even in dimly lit kitchens or during candlelight dinners. Designed for one-handed operation, these grinders make cooking effortless while adding a modern touch to your table. When not in use, simply store them on the charging base, which also features a portable handle for easy carrying indoors or outdoors. Cleaning is simple too, with detachable parts for quick maintenance. Just remember to keep the charging port away from water. This set is practical, elegant, and perfect for everyday meals or special occasions. Number 4. ToiLight, the original toilet bowl nightlight. The ToiLight toilet bowl nightlight is a fun yet practical gadget that makes nighttime bathroom trips easier. It features a motion and light sensor that automatically turns on when you approach, preventing the need to switch on bright overhead lights. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, which are not included, is energy efficient and can last up to 6 months with regular use. Installation takes only 5 seconds, and the adjustable arm ensures a universal fit without interfering with toilet use or lid closure. The durable LED diode is waterproof, providing long-lasting performance. ToiLight offers 8 single color modes, including blue, red, pink, green, baby blue, purple, yellow, and white. Or you can select a rotating color option for added fun. Its hygienic design keeps it clean and sanitary, while the wide sensor angle ensures proper lighting every time. A quirky, useful gadget that adds comfort and convenience to your home. Number 5. Electric Jar Opener, hands-free kitchen gadget. The electric jar opener is a strong and reliable tool designed to make opening sealed jars effortless. Built with durable internal stainless steel components, it works on lids ranging from 1.2 inches up to 3.5 inches in diameter. Simply place the opener on the jar, press the button for 3 seconds, and it automatically grips and twists the lid off without needing extra force. The silicone's soft edge design ensures comfort and safety, protecting your hands while the opener does the work. This gadget is especially helpful for older adults or anyone with limited hand strength due to arthritis, fibromyalgia, or other conditions. It is important to note that the opener is not suitable for plastic lids, such as those found on mayonnaise jars. Compact, easy to use, and hands-free, this electric jar opener is a must-have kitchen tool for anyone who struggles with stubborn lids. Number 6. Mini Thermal Camera with Touchscreen, Pocket-Sized Infrared Imager. The Mini Thermal Camera is a compact inspection tool designed for both home maintenance and outdoor exploration. Weighing only 1.4 ounces and measuring 1.77 by 1.48 by 0.63 inches, it is smaller than a keychain and fits easily in your pocket, backpack, or toolkit. A responsive touchscreen makes operations simple, with no app, Wi-Fi, or phone connection required. Just power it on and start scanning in seconds. Equipped with an 80 by 60 infrared sensor, it displays clear thermal images in real time, covering a temperature range from 14 degrees Fahrenheit up to 284 degrees Fahrenheit. This versatile device helps detect wall leaks, insulation gaps, HVAC airflow issues, or even hidden cameras. Outdoors, it can monitor wildlife by spotting heat signatures around your tent, giving you early awareness of nearby animals. With its portability and ease of use, this thermal camera is perfect for DIYers, technicians, and adventurers alike. Number 7. Full Circle Bubble Up Bamboo Dish Brush, Ergonomic Palm Scrubber. The Full Circle Bubble Up Bamboo Dish Brush combines comfort, sustainability, and cleaning power in one clever design. Its ergonomic shape fits naturally in the palm of your hand, giving you serious scrubbing strength without strain. This versatile brush isn't just for dishes. It works beautifully on nonstick cookware, cast iron pots, sinks, and even vegetables, making it a multi-purpose kitchen essential. Pair it with the Bubble Up soap dispenser and ceramic holder for a stylish countertop set that looks as good as it performs. Caring for the brush is simple. Hand wash in warm soapy water and let it dry thoroughly. To keep the bamboo components looking their best, avoid soaking and occasionally treat them with a natural oil or cream. Family-safe and formaldehyde-free, this eco-friendly scrubber delivers reliable cleaning while supporting a healthier home. Practical, durable, and attractive, it's a smart upgrade for everyday kitchen tasks. Number 8. Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Clip-on Silicone Strainer. The Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain is a clever, space-saving kitchen gadget that makes straining food quick and easy. Instead of juggling heavy pots and bulky colanders, this compact silicone strainer clips directly onto your pot, pan, or bowl for hands-free use. It lets you pour out pasta, vegetables, or meat while keeping the food safely inside. Designed to fit most round cookware, the flexible clips hold tightly for a secure grip. Heat-resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the strainer stays firm while draining hot food and resists warping under steam or boiling water. Its collapsible design makes it perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or camping trips where space is limited. Cleaning is simple too. It's dishwasher safe and easy to rinse. Practical, portable, and efficient, the Snap and Strain turns your everyday cookware into an instant noodle strainer while saving valuable counter and drawer space. Number 9. Meat Tenderizer Tool, Handheld Stainless Steel Blade Tenderizer. The Meat Tenderizer tool is built for serious cooking, combining the impact of a meat hammer with the precision of sharp needle blades. Its solid one-piece stainless steel design requires no assembly, making it durable and ready to use right out of the box. Ultra-sharp stainless steel needles penetrate meat fibers easily, allowing marinades and seasonings to soak in deeply, unlocking flavor faster. The ergonomic handle ensures even pressure with every press, giving consistent results whether you're preparing chicken, steak, pork chops, or veal. Cleanup is simple. Rinse under running water or place it in the dishwasher for thorough maintenance. Crafted from heavy-duty 304 stainless steel, this tool resists rust and wear, and it comes backed by a 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Perfect for home cooks and barbecue enthusiasts, this handheld tenderizer delivers restaurant-quality results and makes every cut of meat juicier and more flavorful. Number 10. Mousike Magnetic Door Catch, Heavy-Duty Stainless Latch. The Mousike magnetic door catch is engineered for strength, safety, and long-lasting performance. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a corrosion-resistant shell and nickel-plated iron plate, it delivers durability you can rely on. With a magnetic force of up to 90 pounds, this latch keeps doors securely closed, making it especially useful for heavy doors taller than 1.5 meters. The strong hold adds extra safety by preventing children or pets from opening doors easily. Each set includes dedicated mounting screws, so installation is quick and simple without worrying about size matching. Designed for seamless operation, the catch works smoothly on cupboards, wardrobes, closets, cabinets, and drawers, as well as bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen doors. Its heavy-duty build ensures reliable closure while maintaining a clean, minimal look. Whether for home or RV use, this magnetic door catch combines practicality with superior strength for everyday convenience.